Alex, so
Okay,
how was your day? Or what are you doing right now, actually?
my day's been going great. Okay, my day's been going. My day's been going great. Jayden. Okay. Oh my. My day's been going. I can't. My day's been going. Oh my. Can you stop?